Hello everyone from your local history librarian Sarah Kiefer. Today's quick tip video is going to focus on locating an obituary using the browse feature on newspapers.com. The Ridgewood Public Library provides patrons with access to the Ridgewood news from 1891 to present day on the database newspapers.com. For local history and genealogy research, being able to search on newspapers.com for information in the Ridgewood News is a great resource, and it makes finding an obituary easier. When you have the date of death known, one method to locating an obituary is to use the browse feature on newspapers.com. This can be especially useful if you're having a difficult time finding it using the search feature. The browse feature allows you to narrow down the search easily. For this example, we're going to look for Robert Leggett's obituary, and he died on March 29, 1944. First, click on the Browse feature on the top left-hand corner of your screen. Here you'll see the variations of the Ridgewood News over the years. Please note that with the library subscription, you only have access to the Ridgewood News, and as a result, the library has become its own country. Click on the paper you need, and we're going to select the Ridgewood Herald News. Then you'll select the year, 1944, the month, which is March, and March 30th, which is after the date of death, which is known as March 29th. You'll see here that there are 24 pages. In older newspapers, they did not have an index on the front page indicating where to locate obituaries. So you'll want to take advantage of searching within this particular edition by typing in Robert Leggett's name. Then click on the search button. You'll see his obituary in the results. Click on that first option to view it in full screen. Robert's name is highlighted and you can see his full obituary. If you'd like to save a copy, click on Print Save, and then select a portion of the page. A dotted line box will appear, which you can move by using your mouse. Adjust using the tabs on the corner of the obituary. Then click on Save. You have the choice between saving as a JPEG or a PDF. For this example, we'll save it as a PDF. And here's your obituary, which you can save on your computer, a flash drive, or print, and you can also email it. Note the citation information is on the PDF, which includes the newspaper, date, and page. I hope this quick tip provided some help in using the Browse feature to locate an obituary on newspapers.com. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you, and have a good day.